Vacation rental turnover chaos is what turns hosting into stress, and it usually comes from unclear cleaning standards, bad timing, and no system. If you feel like you're constantly fixing problems between guests, this will show you how to stop the chaos fast. Ever feel like every guest turnover turns into a mini emergency? Cleaners late, guests early, something gets missed? Well, you're not alone. Most vacation rental owners are doing this completely wrong, and it's costing them time, reviews, and sanity. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Hi, I'm Gerry MacPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help vacation rental owners get more bookings with less stress. In the next few minutes, I'll walk through why turnovers feel chaotic, what's actually going wrong, and one simple shift that fixes most of it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your turnovers calm, consistent, and predictable. So, what's the real problem? And this is where a lot of people actually get stuck. They think they have a cleaner problem, but they don't. They have a systems problem. No checklist, no timing, no clear standard. So everyone fills the gaps differently. Now this might surprise you. Even a great cleaner will struggle without clear expectations, because clean means different things to different people and your guests. They expect hotel level clean. So why this happens? And honestly, it makes sense. You're busy. You trust your cleaner. You assume things will just get done. But here's what a lot of vacation rental owners miss. Hope is not a system. Without structure, turnovers rely on memory, speed, guesswork. And that's where mistakes creep in. A missed hair in the bathroom, a bin not emptied, a towel forgotten. Small things, big impact. Now here's the fix. Simple but powerful. This is what you should do instead. Create one simple, repeatable process. Start with a checklist, not a vague one, a clear one. Think like a guest walking in. Beds tight and fresh. No dust anywhere. Bathroom spotless. Kitchen reset. Supplies stocked. And then add time expectations. This is where it gets interesting. Cleaning without time pressure leads to inconsistency. So set a standard. A studio, about 60 to 90 minutes. One bed, about 90 to 120 minutes. Now your cleaner knows what's done actually means. Add visibility. If you don't see it, you can't control it. Ask for a simple photo proof after each clean. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living space. It's not micromanagement, it's just to confirm consistency. And now the outcome shift. You're not managing cleaning, you're managing a guest-ready experience. That is the shift. Because guests don't care how hard it was, they only care what they walk into. And when you standardize that experience, everything gets easier. What's your biggest frustration with turnovers right now? I'm very, very curious. Let me know in the comments. I promise I'll read it. Here are your key takeaways. Turnover chaos is a systems issue. Cleaners need clear expectations. Timing drives consistency. Checklists remove guesswork. Small changes fix big problems. If you want help putting this into action, grab the Clean Quick Checklist and Turnover Timer. It walks you through exactly how to run a smoother turnover. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe. And if it really helped, feel free to buy us a coffee. It keeps us motivated. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.